Hello body fangs and welcome to the push. Guys, can you see the big groot gat behind me over there? It's called a grot. Yeah, back in the day the tribe used to go digging holes underground here to try and find gold and diamonds. Almost like a klein stout gat, rooikop lighting met sproete digging in his nose with his finger. Yeah, but this is real gold and times have changed. Okay, we've become more bloody advanced. Okay. Now you can't go underground looking for gold there, wearing a short pant and vellies like Frikkie van die Vrystaat. Vrystaat! Yeah. Or like Fazim van Ventersburg. You need the proper bloody PPE. No, it's not something you ask an old woman in a public toilet. PPE. He's gonna smack you amongst the bloody eyes there. This is PPE. A Hamlet. Helmet. Protective glasses, overalls, bloody safety boots, reflective clothing, all the stuff that you need before you go underground there. And where do you get this? Only one place, Cosmo Group SA, down in Silverton. Doesn't matter if you are in the mining, construction, maintenance, manufacturing, you need to make a visit there, okay? Well, next weekend, the 20th and the 21st of June, they've got the suppliers weekend, okay? They're going to show you all the top tools from all the top brands and everything that you need for your type of business. Yeah. From gas to mining, welding, fasteners, pneumatic gooders, hand tools, manual tools, power tools. Check them out. I'll see you there on the Friday, the 20th of June. Cosmo Group SA. Bloody amazing.